So quickly, in just 4 steps, let me show you how to lock and hide chats on WhatsApp. Step 1. Launch your WhatsApp. Look for a chat you would like to hide. For instance, I want to hide this Moren. Tap and hold it down. Come to the options. Look for lock chat. Click on lock chat. Continue. Now, if your phone has a Face ID, it will automatically get locked. But if your phone doesn't, it will request for a password. Now, look at here. It's showing locked chat. If I tap on it, it will unlock and show me my locked chat. Then I can continue my chat here. But to me, this isn't really safe enough. Someone can see it and then challenge you to open it immediately. What you now do is, when you tap on lock chat, it shows you the chat you locked. Then go to settings, click on hide lock chat. Now use my secret code. That's because I have used it before. But if you are using it for the first time, it will ask you to create a secret code. Now go back. Now you can see that I don't have anything like locked chat here again, and you cannot see any chat like Moren here again. Now let me quickly show you now how, in case you want to hide the chat and you want to unlock the chat, this is how you go about it. Search the person's name. Now it will bring it up. Once it brings it up like this, click on it, it will unlock. Now hold it down like this, then unlock chats. Once you click on the unlock chat, the chats will be automatically unlocked. And then when you go back to your chat, you can see Moren again. I hope I've been helpful with this. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.